The bullet train army commences. I finally got maglev cat and I love it. I'm trying to get a bullet train, so just trying to help you with that, okay? But now, the bullet train army. Brothers, we must fight, brothers. He's just in a joke. Dude, that was so quick. Best 27 cat food I've ever spent. Now, as you can see, no more battle cats until you finish your homework. I don't have homework. Anyways, as you can see, I've beaten River Stinks, one of the hardest stages. And I had to beat it twice just to get that treasure. But I used the cat to beat it. So, you know, pretty simple. Now I'm trying to beat the stage. It is the same, but normal, special, uber, and legend. Now, of course, I can't even use any legends because I don't have any legends that focus on reds. So I conducted this loadout. Clan cat, Val cat, Commander cat because of the freeze. I think it could help us. Macho Firecracker cat is only because he's massive and he has dodge and he's got area, so not most have them. This guy because, you know, good level, he's strong against, and, you know, Dark Laser, of course, because still special, you can still use it. I use this guy because he has one knockback, but I don't know. I use this one because they recommend it because he does good damage to red. Of course, Awaken Bahamut and Pai because Pai saved me last run. But I don't know how this is gonna go, so I do need your help. But we'll discuss that in a later video. Anyways, bye.